Let's start our journey by traveling to the harsh, extreme, and hot desert. The desert is defined as a region that gets less than 10 inches of precipitation per year. That means less than 10 inches of rain a year. That means it's very dry. Deserts cover 1/5, that's 20% of Earth's land area. They are found on every continent. Deserts have very little rainfall, as I said, less than 10 inches per year, and they usually experience extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. Deserts have limited plant and animal life, and the largest desert is in the Sahara in Africa. Let's take a look at some of the animals found in desert environments. Now let's leave this dry and hot desert and head to the warm and tropical rainforest. Rainforests are dense, warm, wet forests. Plants from rainforests generate much of the Earth's oxygen. Rainforests are located near the equator, and 30% of remaining rainforests are found in Brazil, a country in South America. Now let's take a look at some of the animals found in rainforests. Now let's leave our friends in the tropical rainforest to visit the cold Arctic tundra. Tundra comes from the Finnish word tunturia, which means treeless plain. A tundra is a cold, treeless place, usually found near the North and South Poles. This is the coldest habitat that we'll be talking about today. They usually have very little precipitation, and there's a very short growing season in the tundra areas. And now the tundra can also be divided into two types of areas, Arctic and Alpine. Let's start with the Arctic. The Arctic tundra is a frozen, windy, desert-like plain. Growing season only lasts 50 to 60 days. And these areas include areas in Greenland, Alaska, Canada, Europe, and Russia. And now let's take a look at some of the animals in the Arctic tundra. And now the Alpine tundra. The Alpine tundra is found in the mountains above the tree line, and its growing season is 180 days, so a little longer than the Arctic tundra, and its night temperatures are usually below freezing. Now let's take a look at some of the animals in the Alpine tundra. For our last habitat, let's dive into the oceans. Oceans contain 97% of Earth's water supply, and they are 3/4, that's 75% of the Earth's surface. All of the oceans on Earth are connected. Now let's take a look at some of the animals found in the oceans. Those are the 4 habitats that make up our planet. Thanks for traveling with us.